In this video, we're going to show how to force dark mode on your Android device. Let's begin. For this feature to work, make sure you keep the developer options enabled and dark mode on your device. This way, whenever dark mode is enabled, third-party apps that do not support dark mode will be forced to use it. Let's see how to force dark mode on Android. Open Settings on your Android device. Navigate to About Phone. Now navigate to Build Number and tap on it 7 times to enable developer mode. Once developer mode is enabled, navigate back to the Settings main menu. Tap on Developer Options. Now navigate to the Hardware Accelerated Rendering section. Enable the toggle next to Override Force Dark, which will override the Force Dark feature across the user interface, including that of the apps. That's it. One thing to note is when these options are enabled, some apps might look strange, especially those that have not been optimized for dark mode. For more tech tips and tricks, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos, handpicked just for you.